Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as promised I'm back with my unboxing of my September choices for latest in beauty. Now normally I make my selection on the 6th of the month, but on Facebook and on an email from them I had seen some sneak peeks of what was going to be coming up on the selections during the month, and there was one thing on there that I really wanted. So for those that don't know, Latest in Beauty is a monthly subscription service. We've got several boxes that you can choose from. Here comes Ruby. She's very nosy. So you can choose 3, 6 or 9 products a month. I think there's also another type of box as well, could be wrong. They do collection boxes, which are sort of like collaborative boxes, which are fabulous as well. So I get the 9 item box, which is £18 a month including postage, and I absolutely love it. So as I say, I have been holding off for one item, and I actually want to see what this item looks like because I've got a feeling I might be a wee bit peeved. But anyway, let's get in and get it opened. You go and listen to me waffling. One day I'm going to turn up with my makeup and hair done like a proper YouTuber and surprise you all. But I've just got home, I'm in my jammies, and that's just how it's going to be. So inside, there's no fancy schmancy box. It's just this brown box with a pink interior. Sometimes it's turquoise, usually it's pink, and it is, you get this little card, La Vie as well, and on the back it has their social media things. And can I just say, Latest in Beauty, if you ever watch these unboxings, can we get some new cards? We've got the same sort of 4 or 5, whatever it is, that seem to just go round and round and round, and I really want to be surprised with a new card. So here we go, strapped in tissue with a little sticker, and you do make your choices yourself, I meant to say. So there's usually about between 150 and 200 products, and every day there's a new item that gets added to the selection. When they're really good, they go out really quickly. Other ones are on there for a lot longer, and some have been on there for months. So if there's something you really want, get your choices made fast. If you haven't made your choices by the end of your month, Latest in Beauty will select your products for you and send it out as a surprise box. And I might do that one time just to see what they send me, but I probably won't. So here we go. Now whilst I was waiting for this one particular product, there were a few things on there that I wanted that went out of stock, and I suppose that's just the price you pay. You have to work out what you want more than anything else. It's the first time I've ever waited to make my choices, because I've got hundreds of noodles. You can't actually see anything in there. So let's just get rid of some of these. I've got an empty glossy box there. And here, oh, a pair of boobies. There's my choices. So we'll put it down, get tucked in, and here we go. So my first item, this is one of my favourite brands ever, is by Dr. Organic, and it is a bioactive skincare medium self tan mousse, Moroccan Glow, 150 mils, and it is a bioactive tanning mousse that leaves the skin with a golden natural glow, easy application, instant streak free results. So yes, let's have a little look. It's free from parabens, SLS, synthetic colours, DEA, phthalate, petrolatum, glycols, BHT, isothiazolinones, mineral oil and silicons. I've got no idea what any of that is. It's natural and organic ingredients. Is it cruelty free? I am suitable for vegetarians and vegans, and it is against animal testing. It doesn't actually say cruelty free, but I'm not sure, so I wouldn't guarantee it. But that's it there. I never really use fake tan, but I'm really tempted to do maybe a video trying this. So it's one of the pump mousses. I have got a mitt at home. There's no mitt in here. I am at home. I've got a mitt here already, which I can use. So yeah, I think we'll give that a go and see. But I do like these as a company. Full size. It's cracking. I'll put the prices along the screen. So that's that. Next thing I've got is a Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid. So this is like an exfoliating liquid, so it speeds up your natural skin turnover and things. I have been using some AHA, and I've been using some of the glycolic acid cream from Paula's Choice. So yeah, so it's an exfoliant and it is 30 mils. This tends to be sort of quite a little bit of money, but I'm not sure about this particular one. But I'll pop details along the screen. Next thing is a Stargazer lip gloss. So I got one of these last month in a different shade. So this is a pinky plummy shade, and luscious food flavoured gloss. And it is just a little bit pink. Oh, or quite a lot pink, and it looks, I could put it on my lips, but it looks very pink. But yeah, it'd be quite nice, I think, on. I think the last one stayed on quite well, which is why I liked it. And these are little tubey applicators. Next thing I've got is a Sanctuary Spa Wet Skin Moisture Miracle. What? Oh, heck. Friday nights. Moisture Miracle. There we go. And 50 mils of that. And I think this is in the original fragrance. And Sanctuary Spa has really nice products. Yeah, oh, it just smells really nice. It's like that, and on it goes. It smells delicious. So another choice. Next thing, oh yes, I got a contour. It's got a little flat makeup brush here. I can't really give you any more details than that, other than it feels, actually it's quite light. I'm not sure if these are good brushes or not, but who doesn't like a makeup brush? It's quite sort of a beveled edge, tapered edge, and quite wide. It'd be good for packing on any sort of lid colours. So yeah, there we go. It does feel light. Next thing I've got is Sanctuary Spa Protect and Illuminate Moisture Lotion SPF 15, and it is 15 mils. And what is this? Daily Defense Hydration. So brightening, skin blurring, all skin types, and SPF 15. So that's really good. Especially if you're using things like these, it's really important that you do use sunscreen on your face. So yeah, there we are. I think I sort of struggled a bit to make some of my choices. Oh, there is a cup of tea, a tea bag, a bag of our Karma Chameleon Infusion. So that'll probably be chamomile, looking at the picture. That's a little freebie. I've got, now I couldn't believe these were still on, and I don't think people know how much these cost. So it is the 111 Skin, and it is a biocellulose facial treatment mask. I think for one mask, I think they're about £20, something like 20 or 25 pounds. I can't remember exactly what, but they're very expensive. So I've got a ball to go to in a couple of weeks, and I'm going to go to it and leave my poor husband sat on the sofa with his poorly leg. But I think I deserve a treat, so I am going to use this, I think, before I go out. And it is brightening activator and moisture infusion system, and brightens complexion, moisturizes and nourishes, stimulates collagen production, and yeah, £20 I think. Who would pay that for one mask? So yeah, I love this. That's more than my box already. Oh blimey, everything's falling all over. Next thing I've got is, and I actually used one of these the other day, And so I thought I'd get some more. Now this is crazy. Look at all these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it is the 3-minute miracle deep conditioning hair treatment. As I say, so there's 5 sachets there. So when you look on it, it's really important that you open up the product information and check, because it does tell you that you get 5 of them, but when you're looking at the selection, it looks like you only get 1. So but it does state on the website that you will be sent 5, so that's a nice little extra, I think, just to sort of get all the other things rather than just 1. I can't speak tonight. And last but not least, the reason why I held off with my selection was it is a Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. Now it is the smaller size, it's the 4 grams, and I want to look at the packaging of the actual tube of it inside, because on the picture on the email and on the Facebook page, the bottle of the mascara looked like a full-size one with the bubble handle. I have got I had a sample one before, and it's just like a little straight tube, and that's not the same as what the picture is. So if this does not look like the picture, I'm going to be complaining. Grr, it looks like the picture. Here we go. Actually, that must be better than my other sample then. So that looks like that. I have to eat my words. I thought it's going to be like a little skinny tube, like you get like the roller lash ones, because my other Bad Gal Bang I got in my Birchbox last year looked a little bit like that. So they've just made it a bit more funky. It is without doubt one of the best mascaras I've ever tried in my life. It's quite a wet mascara. I'm going to open it and show you it because I'll be using it from tomorrow. I just love it. The brush is a really long bendy wand, and it's quite a wet mascara, but seriously, your lashes, if you have short stubby lashes, which I do, this is incredible. It lengthens them, it thickens them, and they just look amazing. And this is why I saved my selection. I think to buy this it'd be about £10, £11, about £10.50 I think, to purchase this size. The one I had before I think was maybe a bit smaller, and it lasted ages. So yeah, I got this. Hopefully it'll come back up again, but I feel really bad now for thinking that they'd done me, but they haven't. This is what it looked like on the picture. I just actually thought when I saw the email it was going to be a full size, and I was when I saw it was only 4 grams I was a bit disappointed, but I'm still happy. So I'm rambling on. So yeah, so now I've got, so just to go over what I've got my Bad Gal Bang mascara, my Dr. Organics tanning, Paula's Choice exfoliating lotion, my 5 hair treatments, Sanctuary Spa, so like the moisturiser, rather expensive face mask, oh my word, the lip gloss, the makeup brush, face cream, and my cup of tea. So I think this month I have really got my money's worth. So there we go. As usual, not a well constructed video, but it's done from the heart in one take, no messing about or faffing. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Do check out Latest in Beauty, because I still think it's one of my favourite boxes, and I love picking my own products. I used to do it as soon as my selection would come out on the 6th. I'd be there at lunchtime making my choices, and I'm learning just a little bit of patience. Yeah, a few products I wanted dropped off my selections, but I got what I wanted really, and I'm really happy. So there we go. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Have you signed up yet? What have you got? What have you chosen? And what would you recommend? So see you all again very soon. Bye for now. Bye.